Oh, everybody, so it's finally time. We actually got the utility container for the top of the Link system. I'm really excited. In fact, Ryobi is a very marketing savvy company because they actually didn't release this online. They saved it for the store, which I can appreciate as well. We gotta support our associates at Home Depot. Today we're gonna talk about what we can fit in it. Let's see the dimensions and just see how it performs. So stick around, everybody. This is Lift Free and Tool On. So let me go ahead and just take this off. This does lock down, as you can see. It's not going anywhere. So I'm going to press this little button here. It's going to come up. Let's go ahead and tilt it up here so you can see inside. First, the interior dimensions. These are our limitations. This is 18 inches wide, or just shy of it. I would say it's 17 and 7/8 for both. And then your limitations here. To your divider is right around 13 inches. Now you have a divider in here. That's what this is here, and it sticks out probably 3/4 of an inch. But if we want to go all the way to the back, that's 13 and 5/8 for the support. So that's going to be our physical dimensions on how that works. Some of the questions that people may ask, does this connect with other links on top? Well, let's go ahead and take a look. Snap this here, and look at that. It's picking the whole thing up. So it does snap in, and how that works is just on a perimeter latching system. You can see the latch on the side right at the top, right here. Oh, where am I? There it is. So you've got 4 of those. And it's very interesting because as you take a look at this, the whole bottom of this actually fits right down inside. So just this actually fits right down in here. So I'm going to pull this back up, place it down, and it snaps right in place. Now, you generally would always have this on top because you're going to put the things that don't fit below inside of this, and there's going to be big things that fit in here. Now, here's one of the questions that I've gotten a lot. Will the 3-gallon vacuum fit in here? Well, there you have it. It actually fits in there. Now, it's a pretty tight fit once it gets in here just for the width, but guess what? It actually fit in here. So I was pretty happy about that. As a container goes, it is pretty sturdy. It's not reinforced plastic, but it is a nice plastic that's on top of here. You have handles on the sides. You have handles on the front. There is no handles on the back. That's reinforced on the back. You can see on the bottom this has a full bottom support with the teeth that go up and down. Okay, so I just want to give everyone... Alright, so check this out. I have 4 drills, a circular saw, I have a light hanging off the side, I have a power inverter right here in the back of it, and I have the radio here that actually has a battery on it too. Just to give you an example, you can just chuck a bunch of stuff in here, hit the road, and you don't have to worry about closing the top of it. You can just strap this stuff down, and then whenever you get there, you all know this, you can just carry it away. This is really cool though. You can see just how much stuff is in here, and I really like that because when you're done, you just snap it in place and you're ready to go. Okay, everybody, so that was it. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that this helped you, gave you a little bit of insight. I know that it's pretty expensive just for a little bin, but it's cheaper than the other alternatives, and I think that the benefits that you get out of this, well, I don't think that you would actually realize that until you actually use it. So I hope that you all enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.